It's this one.
Hello.
Oh wow, they're original. Oh, this is a tall building. That's fine. All right, let's see. Oh, the indicator's been changed. That's terrible. At least they kept the disappearing indicator in some sort, but it's not really a disappearing indicator anymore.
Oh, it looks like there used to be a 17th floor.
Maybe it's that one floor that, whoa, that one floor that looks different at the top.
Emergency calls isn't an alarm. That's interesting.
Oh, that one's broken.
Oh, want to take a look?
Yeah, we won't ride it. Yeah.
This one must be jammed.
Press a button. Yeah, it's completely out. Okay, it looks like they turned it off because we can still get one.
Maintenance in progress.
I hope they're not modernizing them.
Otis must maintain these. It says Otis on the bottom, so.
They might be starting to modernize these.
Yeah, this hotel is supposed to become Yellow Tree. There's a view of it's on Meadow Creek.
That's nice.
Our factories.
Yeah. L. Let's get a cab view. They did. It looks original. I think it is original.
Yeah. It's Isaac?
Hi.
Yeah, this hotel is supposed to be renovated. It's going to be converted to a DoubleTree, so it's possible that these elevators will get modded.
If you want to send this one up, we can try and check the other one that's not broken.
Sure, so we'll just send it up?
Yeah, send it up to like 10 or something.
Okay.
It doesn't need to go all the way up.
Right.
Yeah, I'm hoping they're not going to modernize the other one.
We'll send it up.
Just, yeah. Oh, it lit up. It's cool.
It's up at 10. It's the color levels and stuff. And I love that indicator.
Yeah, those are original at least. If this one doesn't come.
We can go up to 10.
We can go up to 10 and look.
Oh, now it's going.
Oh, here it is. Is it squeaking?
Interesting.
Yeah. Here it is.
Hello again.
The Otis logo's missing.
Turquoise button doesn't work.
No. This one's brighter.
980 phone as well.
I'm wondering why there's a down button, because it doesn't look like either of these two serve another floor. This one has a different beep.
Yeah.
And
Wow.
fix that. I've never seen a label for an alarm as EC.
Yeah. So look again at the other one.
If you want to hold it, I want to see if this one's got a parking floor. Oh, that one has an LL button. That one does have an LL button in it. So that might be the only one that goes to the parking deck.
I bet if these elevators are going to be modded, I bet it's Otis who's going to do the mod.
They'll probably give it like Series 7 or whatever it is.
There's no 13th floor.
No. I'm hoping they'll keep something original.
Elevator road again. I like the mirrors. These cabs are really retro.
Yeah. Did you say there's another bank of elevators here?
Yeah, I think that's the parking elevators.
I think someone called it because the thing lit up.
Oh, now this doesn't work anymore.
Oh, we took that one. There it goes. That's it. Oh, you can hear this one.